If you're trying to learn how to make a logo, but you don't have any graphic design skills or technical editing software, well then this is the video for you. What's up everybody? This is Roman Grant with EmpireVID, back with another video. We're going to be doing a tutorial today and we're going to be making this logo. Let's get you a better look at that. Beautiful. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. It's all about helping beginner content creators create in the best way possible. And make sure to stick around to the end of the video because I'm going to show you a great resource to make sure that your colors always match and that they always make your designs stand out. And with that, let's get into the video. Now, if you've tried at all to make a logo and you've never been trained in graphic design or anything like that, then you know how difficult it can be. It can be super frustrating and make you want to give up before you even start. And you really only have two choices. You can either pay somebody to design the logo for you, but that gets complicated because then, you got to go back for corrections. They don't really have the same idea of your logo that you would have, so you have a lot of critiques. Then you have the option of making the logo yourself. And like I said, without graphic design skills, it's an uphill battle. But after you finish watching this video, I guarantee you're going to be able to make your own logo from scratch, and you're really going to probably amaze yourself. So I'm going to be showing you a website called Placeit. It's what I've been using. It's really great, and they just have a really great platform. So I'm putting a link in the description if you want to check it out yourself. They have some really cool free designs that you can use just to get started so you don't have to pay any money up front. So let's jump in and I'll show you how it's done. So here in Placeit by Envato, if you were to look at the pricing, it's pretty inexpensive. It's either $14.95 a month or $89.69 a year. That's for an unlimited subscription. So just to show you what you would get with the unlimited plan, you are able to make as many of these kinds of designs as you want. And as you can see, there's a lot of different designs. Anything that you can think of, you can design on this platform. So I'll put the link in the description for you to check out Placeit for yourself. They have a lot of free designs that you can use and download and modify to your liking, so check those out. So when you want to make a logo, you go up here to logo. You can either click on the logo maker, which we'll get to in a second, or you can choose from one of the industries that they list here. And they have a lot of different industries, but if you were to just search all of their logos, you can modify any one of these logos from these industries to fit your own. So you don't have to be confined to just the industries that they recommend. So to use Placeit's online logo maker, you can just enter in some information that they ask for. So the first thing they ask is for your company name. Then they ask the industry. I'm just going to choose all. So you have the option up here to change the industry of your logo and then also to choose a certain type of graphic. And they give descriptions of the different industries that they would think these logos go with. So you can kind of sort through that, or you can just pick one that looks good to you. So I'm going to go ahead and choose one that I like. So here we are. We have all of these elements that we can modify, from this picture to the text. These are the text elements where you can enter in what text you want as well as your slogan. You can choose the colors. You can also choose to upload one of your own. And then over here you have the option to add another graphic and change the colors as well as changing the shape. And you can search for their shapes here, so it shows abstract shapes. If you wanted to just take that away, you could see a lot of different other shapes that they have. Then I want to modify my slogan. Now you can make these bigger or smaller by dragging like this, or you can even rotate. And when you drag them around, you'll see that it lines it up for you. Now to change the colors in my logo, I can choose them over here. I can click here to enter the hex code. Now I want to change this over here for my slogan. Now I need to change the accent color here. Now my background is too dark for the blues that I've chosen, so I want to lighten this background and I can just choose a different color background right here. Okay, so I just had to lighten up the background. Now once I have my logo designed, I can save it as a draft, and that will put it in my saved drafts folder for me to access at any time and edit it at any time if I so choose. And then once I do that, I can go ahead and click download, and then I can go ahead and click download here, and it will download it to my computer. And here I have a logo that I designed very quickly. I think this took me less than 5 minutes, and I'm pretty happy with this. So I'm sure that if you put a little bit of time into it, you'll be very happy with any logo that you design also. So that's how you design your own logo by yourself quickly and easily. You don't need to hire anybody else, pay expensive fees or anything like that. You can do it all yourself, and you can make as many changes to it as necessary. Now, when designing anything, whether it be a logo, a banner, something for your website, anything like that, you're obviously going to need colors. And colors are very important. When they match together, they really make the design stand out. So you're going to want to choose the correct colors. And to do that, there's a great resource called the Peloton Color Wheel. Now, this is a free color wheel to use, and I'm going to show it to you right now. So this is the Peloton color wheel. It is very intuitive. You can have either the monochromatic color, which is just one with the different shades and tints. You can also have the adjacent colors. You can have the triad or the tetrad, which is 4 colors. With this color wheel, you can drag these dots to get the color that you want, and you can rest assured that the colors on this board here are going to work well with the color that you select. If you just click on the color, it will give you all of the different codes that you could possibly need for any program that you're using. And then along with just the main color that it gives you, it also gives you some shades and tints for you to choose from as well. So this color wheel can be very important for you to choose the colors for any design that you are possibly going to make. There's a lot of different color wheels out there, so you can use any one of them. This is just the one that I use. One last tip before I let you go. It's easy to get frustrated when you're making logos. Even if you have a great program to use it where it's very simple to use, it can still get frustrating because you want it to be perfect. I know how that is more than anybody. And my only suggestion is that if you're stuck on it, just take a break. Come back later, get somebody else's point of view. Chances are the logo is really good and you just are being too hard on yourself. I'd like to hear from you too, so comment down below and let me know what kind of business you are trying to design a logo for. Thanks for staying till the end. Hit that thumbs up if you found something useful out of it, and I will see you in the next video.